Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. This is Dr. Naila Parveen Abbasi. This lecture is for the class of PS4 and MSc Final under the course title Political Geography. So, dear student, today again we are going to continue the topic boundaries, the limits of state and classification of boundaries. As yesterday we talked about in previous lecture about some boundaries, the types of the boundaries like mountain boundaries, desert boundaries and water boundaries. So again we are going to continue the same lecture and the further types of boundaries inshallah we will discuss today in this lecture. So we start from the cultural boundaries. So a nation state exists when the boundaries of a state match the boundaries of the territory inhabited by an ethnic group. So cultural boundaries actually based on the ethnic groups. Like for example, we are living in Pakistan. We are Pakistani people, Japanese, African, Chinese, and European uh, peoples. Okay, so we all have some ethnic groups around the world. So this is called actually the cultural boundaries. Then the religious boundaries, which are also very important boundaries. In a few cases, religion has been used to select a boundary between states. Like the British split India into states based on religion. In India, like for example, Hindu and Muslims in Pakistan. So the Northern Ireland is majority Protestant and is part of the UK. Ireland is 95% Catholic and is independent from UK. Then the languages boundaries. After World War One, language was the most important factor the Allies used in creating new states and changing the boundaries of existing states, like in Eastern and Southern Europe. For example, Bulgaria, Hungary, Poland, Yugoslavia were created by grouping people of similar languages together into one country, both separated into many countries in 1990s. So, like for example, in Balochistan, the Balochi people, the Sindhi people, they attract each other on the basis of the language. So, for example, we visit in a country to abroad. So, one Sindhi people or one Sindhi family meets to us. So, we attract to each other on the basis of the again language as well as the religion. Then the boundaries has some dispute. How the position disputes disagree to interpretation of the boundary treaty, like Chile or Argentina in South Andes. Then the territorial disputes over ownership of territory. Then hereditarianism, like land that was formerly part of another state with which there are ethnic ties. So then the resources disputes like Kuwait and Iraq. So how resources disputes are, like for example, America want to attack on Iraq and Kuwait for the sake of the resources. And okay, so these are the resources disputes in disputed boundaries. Then the functional dispute, disagreement over policies to apply to border like Mexico and USA over illegal alliances crossing into the USA. Then in the 1970s, Somalia claimed the eastern part of the Ethiopia, Ogaden, because it is peopled primarily by Somalians. So unsuccessful guerrilla fighting continued until 1988, the creating more than 1 million refugees in Somalia. Then the motivation for Iraq's invasion of Kuwait, Number one, dispute of withdrawals from the oil fields. Then claim of pre-British ownership. Number third is a desire for better access to the Persian of Gulf. So few boundaries are inside the states. Those are called the local government boundaries, are sometimes drawn to separate different nationalities. In the US, they are sometimes drawn to provide an advantage to a political party. So, like Unity States and the Federal States. Unity States are an internal organization of a state that places most power in the hands of the central government officials. Then the federal state, an internal organization of a state that allocates most powers to units of local government. Then the United States works best in nation states characterized by few internal cultural differences and a strong sense of national unity. Smaller states are more likely to adopt, like common in Europe. Some multinational states have adopt unitary system, so the values of one nationality can be imposed on the others, like Rwanda. Then federal states, local governments have the authority to adopt their own laws. Multinational states may adopt federal systems to empower different nationalities if they live in different regions of the country. Well suited for large states, most large countries are, like for example, US, Russia, Canada, Brazil, and India. Thank you very much, dear students. So further we will talk about another boundaries in next presentation, inshallah. So your queries are very welcome. Thank you very much.